Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to disable Avast antivirus. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to go to search menu and type Avast antivirus. Click on open it. And after opening the antivirus, select the protection on the left side. On right side, select core shields and turn off everything in this page. Just click on more options and select until I turn it on again and select OK stop. And same thing for this. After turning off these options, go back to protection and select ransomware shield and select turn off. And more options, select until I turn it on again and select OK. And go back to protection and select firewall. Do the same thing. More options, select until I turn it on again and select OK. And now just to minimize this, click on the system tray, right click on the antivirus and select Avast Shield Control. Select disable permanently and select OK. And now as you can see, you are unprotected. In the app it says all your shields are turned off, and that's how you can disable Avast antivirus. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.